Hello everyone. Do you practice calligraphy and are you on lookout for good tools like me? Then this video is for you. Especially for Devanagari calligraphy, we have very limited options available for reliable tools. I recently came across some very interesting and useful tools for Devanagari calligraphy made by a brand called Silawat Qalams. So this is a Rajasthan-based family-owned business and they are manufacturing tools made out of brass and wood. So today I've got 4 tools from the series and the tips are made out of brass and the handles or the holders are made out of good quality wood. So I'm super excited to test how these tools write on paper. So let's get started. These tip pens are available in different sizes from 2mm to 30mm. Today I have got 4 tools: 12mm, 20mm, 25mm and 30mm. Out of these 4, these 2 are for Devanagari and the other 2 are for English or italic. In case if you are not aware of different cuts in the calligraphy tools, the tools with a slant cut are for Devanagari and the ones with a flat cut are usually made for English or italic. With a flat cut, writing Devanagari is slightly difficult. These dip pens are available in resin finish holders also. You can check their Instagram handle. The workmanship of these dip pens is good. The grip feels nice in the hand. The weight is correctly distributed and the brass tip has tiny grooves for the ink to flow. The edges are not very sharp, so this will not be scratchy while writing and won't damage the surface. Let me try writing with it. I will start with the Devanagari tools, which have got a slant cut. I am using a regular 100 GSM paper. While writing, you will need to adjust the hold a little bit to get the correct angle and the consistent ink flow. The edges of the tools are smooth and the ink flow is decent. The grooves hold some ink, but you will need to keep on dipping it while writing. You can get the hang of it once you start using it. Now let me try with a smaller tool. This is slightly easier to operate considering the nib width as compared to a broad one. So with this you can probably write slightly longer content. Let me try changing the ink color also. Now I'm using a red ink to write. The tool glides smoothly on the paper. All you need to do is understand the correct hold and the angle, and the nib writes or the tool writes seamlessly. Okay, now let me try using the straight ones. I can use these for bigger artworks considering the size of the tool. For a longer content, you can choose the small tip sizes. You can check Silawat Qalams Instagram page for more details. You can try different scripts with this tool. You can write Gothic or Roman or even italic, and the tool will never disappoint you. The best part I liked about these dip pens is the cleaning. You can just wipe off the tip of the tool with a tissue paper or a rough cloth and it's done. Head over to Silawat Qalams Instagram page to know more about their tools, their sizes and to order. I have given the link in the video description below. That's for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.